This is not going to take too long, guys. I'm going to show you how I apply it. Let it sit. By the time I wipe it all the way around, you'll see. It'll look like the other one. Give me a minute. And let me tell you, the floor is not your friend when you're this age. Ugh. That's what 63 will do. 63. Ugh. What a bad knee. Yep, a bad knee. And I cut grass yesterday. Not that I wanted to. I ain't even finished the backyard. To me, it's a glaze. It's called smoke glaze. I've been using it on several of my little furniture projects. And these lamps just didn't go with my decor in my head. So I kept saying, I want to paint them. I need them to look different. And so this is what I'm doing. So you get it all in there. Get it where you want it. Got it all the way around. As far as I can tell, I didn't miss nothing. But it don't hurt. It's because you're taking it off anyway. Cut me up some rags so when I go to take it off, I'll have a couple rags to work with. Okay. So then, what I did to the other one, took some cut up pieces, and I folded it, and I don't want to apply too much pressure on the middle, but you just go around it, try to keep it in a sweeping motion. And I can go up top. like it. Except for when it wants to drip. I like it. So far, so good. I think I got it all. That's it. And then she will dry. It's almost like it's a glaze, smoke glaze. You apply it. You can let it stay on. I can apply it a couple more times. Just keep pulling it off. But I'm going to see if I like it after it dries. Right now, I like it. Because it was brown. Both of them were brown. But that's it. That's all I did to it. And I got to go in with a razor blade and get all the paint off. But you guys seen it, right? Didn't take long. 6 minutes. Talk to you later.